Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Yeah, good morning. It's Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, you guys. So, having my first order of the day. It's 8 right now. I mean, 7. Almost 8 though. 7:50, and I'm going to shop my first order. It's $18 going 1 mile, and only shopping for 13 items. So, let's go, yeah, let's go. Good morning. Guys, this order was $30. $30, you guys. It's going 10 mile, and I had to shop for 23 items. So all this together is 23 items, y'all. So right now I'm going to check out. Let's go and check out. Let me use this one here. Let me use this. I'm going to scan here. Yeah, just deliver this. I'm tired. I had to go third floor, yeah. I had to go all the way third floor. $22, you guys, going 8 miles, and it's 3 drop, and she's done putting everything in my car, and the other one is at the trunk. So we are about to take off, yo. We are about to take off. So let's go, let's go, let's go. So you guys, we have a problem here. So I'm delivering this, and the customer didn't leave me a code to go in the building. So I'm trying to call him. He's not picking up. Anyway, so they leave cards over here for people who deliver. So I just called him and he's not picking up the phone. So should we return it? Should we do what? Because I don't even see nobody in the hallway to come open the door. Let me give him one more call. If he doesn't pick you up, I'm gonna return it, y'all. So I finally called back and she said she's coming down. So I'm just here waiting for her to come down. Yes, second drop off. Yeah, second drop off. I'm going to scan here and go delivery. Okay, let's go delivery. It's going on C. Where is C? Here. Here we go. Here we go. C. Over here and take a picture. Okay, y'all. I am here to drop my third drop off, and I'm gonna take this one and scan it. I don't leave this in my car, y'all. So I always, is that a trunk? I always stick this to the groceries. I don't like leaving this stuff in my car. What is that? A car? Okay. All right. So, and this one I have to verify the ID, and we're gonna be good. All right, let's go back. Let's go back to get some more orders. I have to drive 13 minutes, y'all. 13 minutes. Let's go. I'm just here chilling for about, I think, 40 minutes, and finally I received an order. I was like, yay, $28. Let's go. Before I accept the order, I went to check how much it is to shop. 69 items for $28. I'm like, oh hell no. I say I need to do better. You need to do better. So no, that's too much for $28. So let's sit here and keep waiting. Just got another order, you guys. $19 going 6 miles, and it's a shopping order, you guys. Shopping order. After like 1 hour without an order, finally have an order. I'm going to shop for 8 items. It's only 8 items shopping. So let's go shopping. Let's go shopping, you guys. Now we're talking, you guys. It's been like an hour with an order. Today is slow, and it's not slow because when they give me an order, it be a big order. It be a big one. So I'm not complaining. I'm just saying. So anyway, we have another order, you guys. $27 shopping order. The shopping order. I'm going to shop for 29 items. 29 items, and it's going to Mayo. And did I say how much was it? It's $27. Let's go. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. Let's go. And right now it's 106, y'all. 106. And if I add this one to the money, it's going to be 119. 119. So let's go shop, y'all. Let's go. Yo, today's weather, it feels so good. It's not cold, it's not hot, it's just in the middle, y'all. We're on a 63-degree right now, so that means it's cool. So I'm done shopping. It was a lot of items. I just received one of the ASAP order, $24 going 7 mile, and it's 3 drop. And we have apartment, we have a house, but the apartment it's going on the first floor, so we are good. Just received another order, you guys. $16 is shopping order, 2 mayo. And I'm going to shop for 14 items, so it's fair. So let's go shopping. Oh yeah, you guys, I forgot to tell you, to let you know, the order before this one, the $24 one, it was 3 drop off. They canceled it, y'all. So this is what happened. They canceled one of the order. So together was $24, and they canceled one of the order, and they left me with $9 for 2 drop off. So I was like, oh no, I have to cancel it. So I did not take that order, yo. I didn't take that order. And later on, after a few minutes, they gave me another one. So yeah. $16, you guys, is going 4 miles, and we're dropping 2 drop off. So I'm waiting for them to bring it out. It's a curbside order. $17, you guys, going 3 mile, and I'm shopping for 10 items. 10 items. Okay. Section 5 and modular 88. This is 69, 84, 88. So we need this one. $16, you guys, is going 4 mile, 4.5, and I'm only going to shop for 4 items. So I already shopped this one here. Right now I'm going to pick up my last item. My last items. I just received another order. Yo, this is going to be my last order of the day. $21, a shopping order, and I'm going to shop for 7 items, but altogether it's 78 items. I went through it, the order, and I saw it sucks. Small item. I'm like, okay, we're good, but let's go. I'm gonna show you guys like everything. So let's go, y'all. Let's go. And right now it's 5 something. I don't remember because I can't see it. It's 5 something, and it's my last order of the day. So let's go shop this order. Okay, they want 2 of this. 2 of this. They want 2 of this. And they want 24 of this. 24. And they want 24 of this. And they also need 24 of this. But I don't think they have enough. So they only have 14 of this. Only 14. Okay, so I see more over there. So I'm about to get help so I can give them. I was able to give the near one, but it's not. I'm missing one. Okay, so I'm looking for somebody who can help me. Excuse me, I need help. Okay, I just delivered to the house over there, and it's my last order, y'all. So you guys, we are done. I am done with the shift, you guys. Guess how much money I made? 207, y'all. 207. I reached my goal. I reached my daily goal. For those who don't know, every day my daily goal is to reach over 200. My daughter is calling me. Every day is my goal is to reach over $200. So we did it. Anyway, please subscribe, like the video. See you tomorrow. Don't forget to thumbs up.